Do you ever feel like your favorite neon-colored clothes are watching you? Maybe not literally, but sometimes their vibrant glow seems to demand attention, even when you'd rather blend in. The truth is, casting off neon isn't just about changing your outfit, it's about understanding the psychology behind these eye-popping hues and learning how to use them, or lose them, to your advantage. Neon colors exploded onto the scene, quite literally, with the invention of neon lights. They moved from signage to sportswear in the 80s, screaming individuality and energy. Think highlighter yellow, electric blue, searing fuchsia. These aren't subtle shades. They're designed to be noticed, to stand out in a crowd, and to evoke feelings of excitement, daring, and even a touch of rebellion. Functionally, they're fantastic for visibility, which is why you see them so much in athletic wear and safety gear. But fashion-wise, their impact is purely psychological. They grab attention, which can be a superpower if you're trying to make a statement, or a major drawback if you're feeling less than confident. So, how do you decide if you should cast off your neon? It really comes down to your intention and your comfort level. If you're heading to a high-energy event, a music festival, or a night out where you want to be the life of the party, a pop of neon can be your secret weapon. A neon accessory, a stripe on your shoe, or even a full neon top can convey confidence and a playful spirit. It signals that you're not afraid to be seen, to be bold, and to embrace the fun side of fashion. In these scenarios, neon isn't just a color, it's a statement of self-assurance. However, there are times when neon can feel less like a friend and more like a spotlight you can't turn off. If you're aiming for a more understated, classic, or professional look, neon can be distracting. It can dominate an outfit, pulling focus away from other carefully chosen elements. Imagine trying to give a serious presentation in a bright neon blazer. It might be memorable, but perhaps not for the right reasons. In more formal or subdued settings, neon can come across as jarring or even immature. This isn't about shying away from color, but about choosing hues that complement the desired tone of your presence. Furthermore, your personal style evolution plays a huge role. Maybe you loved neon in your early 20s, but now your aesthetic leans towards more muted tones and sophisticated silhouettes. There's no shame in letting go of what no longer resonates. Fashion is a journey, and our preferences shift as we grow. Sometimes, casting off neon simply means acknowledging that your personal brand has evolved beyond its vibrant glow. It's about making conscious choices that align with who you are now, not who you were. Ultimately, the decision to cast off neon isn't a hard and fast rule, it's a mindful choice. It's about understanding the power of color psychology, recognizing the context of your outfits, and most importantly, listening to your own style intuition. Do you feel empowered and confident in it, or does it make you feel like you're wearing a flashing sign? Your comfort and self-expression are always the ultimate arbiters of what stays in your wardrobe and what gets gracefully retired. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.